Duplicare has always been able to handle finding duplicates in a situation where you make new ones, but we've never been able to extend upon the search inside of it. So we're pleased that that has now made it into version 3. And this is just a little video to give you a demonstration on how exactly that works. So this is just a sample demo instance of some data that is living online in the new unified interface environment. And you can see now that our entire global search system is designed as simply as a web resource, meaning it can live anywhere it wants. So you can see on my unified interface model-driven app, I have a global search here that will open the web resource. So I click on that. And what you will see here is a form. So this form is configurable. You will see that later on in the video. But then now it's fine. I only want to find a person that works somewhere. So what I can do is I can leverage the Duplicare rules to our advantage and find duplicates in a much more powerful way than ever before. So I'm going to do a simple search for myself, and I'm going to press search. Well, it's going to look at all the Duplicare rules, leverage all the power that was in there already, apply all logic, and see what it can find matching the same thing. So you can see here that I've got a single contact based on the icon, and I've actually got 9 leads that match me in a fuzzy type way. So there's data rates, and data rate limiteds, and Matt and Matties and Matthews, and all variations of my name. So that search helped me find all these things. So what I can do is I can go in and I can click on, and that will take me to that record. See when this page loads is that there will be hopefully my name probably within that, and within that there will also be a link to count. The account shows sort of fuzzy variation link on data rate. Typically within demo gods environment, this is taking its time to load, so we will let that load. There we go. So we can see that we've got Matthew here with fuzzy logic is kicked in multiple ways there. The extra benefit you can do now is that if you have took the time to enter that data in around the on your form, you don't want to have to type that in period with fuzzy logic is kicked in multiple ways there. The extra benefit you can do now is that if you have took the time to enter that data in around the on your form, you don't want to have to type that in again. So if you found no matches, what you can actually do is you can now create that as a new thing. This again is based on what mappings you've got configured behind the scenes. So I would actually like to make this now as a lead because it didn't already exist there. If I want that, it's going to give me a brand new lead for me with all the data that I entered pre-populated. This is a base I think I'm going to show on how that is configured shortly. So what you can say now is I have a brand new lead that when it decides to load, I will have data populated in any matching fields. So you can see I've got Matt Beard, company name is populated. So you would use this as your starting base and sort of carry on from there. So you've helped find the codes that exist there as well. And if you can't find it, you've been able to go and make that record without retyping that data in. All within your existing Duplicare rules. This is an extension on top of the Duplicare stuff. This is not an entirely new separate thing. Configuration side of this, this is simply done inside the solution. So I have another tab open, if you excuse me, which is here. So this is in the configuration side of Duplicare. If you're the sysadmins, you may have seen this side of it. And what you now have is this little button down here that says that you've now enabled with global search. You have it in your system. So we need to configure what that form looks like and where all my mappings go. So you can do is you go with this form, it will look for all your rules that already exist that have been global search enabled. So you can build your rules specifically for global search. So this won't jump on all of your rules immediately. You have a yes and no flag that you can turn on or off. So this will look at all your rules and you can simply map. So this part here, which is your fields, that is what the form will look like, what type it's going to be, and then what it maps to on the different entities. So a company name on account is a name, and on a lead is a company name. I can start adding further mappings in there. You'll notice that not all fields are available. It will only be using fields that were in your digit rules, because otherwise it's extra data that we don't need. There's no point a user typing out a phone number when we're not doing any searches based on phone number. So that's why it's limited for a quick user experience. And you simply do that. You map as much as you want to. You add fields, you want to make all these mappings in, and that's it. Simple as that. You press save, your form will then change how it renders, and that's it. Nice, quick, easy. So you can go from a Duplicare 2.9 or whatever version you've got into 3 with global search within literally a couple of minutes, and it's a very powerful tool that you can leverage in most places in your system.